Dear students, welcome to Maths for You, your online YouTube channel for CBSE 10th Maths. We are covering trigonometry chapter. We will continue with exercise 8.2. So here the first sum will be evaluate the following. So there are 5 problems given in problem number 1. We'll solve one by one. Let us take problem number 1 first. So you are given sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree. We need to find out the value for this. So now we are going to substitute the values of sine 60 cos 30 and sine 30 cos 60. Now the sine 60 will be root 3 by 2, cos 30 also root 3 by 2, and sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is also 1 by 2. So when we multiply this, we get root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 into 2 will be 4, that is 3 by 4. And here 1 into 1 will be 1, 2 into 2 will be 4, 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So we are taking LCM, both the denominator are equal, so 4 is the LCM, we just have to add the numerator, that is 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 by 4 will be 1, the answer for the first problem will be 1. And now the second one. 2 sine square tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. Now tan square 45 degree means this can also be written as tan 45 degree the whole square. So we will have to substitute the value of tan 45 and square it. The same way cos 30 and square it and sine 30 and square it. So 2 into tan 45 is 1 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Cos square 30 also cos 30 the whole square are same. Now root 3 by 2 whole square will be 3 by 4 because when you take square root for root 3 it become 3 and this will be 4 and this is 3 and this will be 4. So here this will be 1 square 1, that is 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 get cancelled and the answer is 2. Now problem number 3. Cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Now we are going to substitute the values for these angles 45 degree cos and secant 30 and cosecant 30. So cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, that is reverse of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so that secant 30 will be 2 by root 3 and cosecant 30 is 2, that is sine 30, reverse of sine 30, sine 30 is 1 by 2, the reverse will be 2. Now in the denominator we take LCM as root 3, so we need to multiply the root 3 with 2, so that 2 root 3 will be there, and in the numerator we have 1 by root 2. So 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Now in numerator and denominator both we have numerators and denominators, which means both are fractions. So instead of dividing the fraction which is a numerator with the fraction which is dividing the numerator with the fraction of the denominator, we reverse and multiply it. That is multiply with its reciprocal. So 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. So this will be root 3 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 into root 2. We are taking root 2 inside and multiplying these two terms. So we get a root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. That is root 3 into root 3 will be root 3 into root 2 will be root 6. Now in the denominator we have two terms. To make it one term we need to multiply and divide by its conjugate. That is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 conjugate would be 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. So we are going to multiply and divide. So when we do multiplication and division by the same number, there won't be any change in the original number. So we can do multiply and divide by the same number. Now the denominator 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 is there, and here 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is there. That is a plus b into a minus b format. We can write it as a square minus b square. That is 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 6 whole square. When you take 2 root 2 square become 2. So here already 2 is there. So 2 square will be 4. 4 into 2 8 minus here we get root 6 square will be 6 This will be 4, 24. 8 minus 24 we get. And root 3 we are taking inside and multiplying with the two terms. So we get 2 into root 6 minus 2 into root 18. Now 2 root 2 square, then we get 2 root 2 minus 2 root 18 by 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 6 square. So this will be 2 root 6 minus 2 into 3 into 3 into 2, that is 18. We can write it as 18 we can write it as 3 into 3 into 2. Now when you take square root, 2 3's will become 1 3. So 3 we can take it out. So 2 into 3, 6, square root of 2 balance we will have. Here 8 minus 24 will be 16. So here we have 2, here also we have 2, we can take 2 common. We take minus 2 out. When you take minus 2 out, here root of 3 into 3 into 2 will be 3 is coming out. So 3 into root 2, that is 3 root 2. Here we have minus, so that minus 2 we have taken already. So 3 root 2. Here we have plus root 6. Since we have taken minus 2 out, we need to put minus here. So minus root 6. Now minus 2 and minus 16 get cancelled with 8. So 3 root 2 minus root 16 divided by 8 is the answer. Then problem number 4. That is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. As usual, we are going to substitute the values. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. The same way, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cot 45 is 1. Now here we take 2 root 3 as LCM. So here we don't have root 3, so multiply with root 3. Here we don't have anything, so we have to multiply 1 with 2 by 3. 2 root 3, and here we have root 3, so that we multiply with 2. The same way, take denominator also, LCM as 2 root 3. So root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. In the denominator, 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 by 2 root 3. Here we have root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be 3 root 3. Here root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 plus 4 we have. In the numerator, the denominator part is 2 root 3. In the denominator, the denominator part is 2 root 3. These two will get cancelled. So we get 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. That is, here root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be 3 root 3. And here the 4 will have. Now, to make this as a single term, we need to multiply and divide by its conjugate. What is the conjugate? 3 root 3 minus 4 is the conjugate. So we are going to multiply with 3 root 3 minus 4 in numerator and denominator. Here this will be a minus b the whole square formula, and here a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square, which means a square means 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. Here 3 root 3 square will be 3 into 3 9, root 3 will be 3, so 27. So a square plus b square minus 2ab means 2 into 3, 6 into 4, 24 root 3 divided by, this will be root 3 square will be 3, 3 square will be 9, so 9 into 3 will be 27, minus 4 4s are 16. Now 27 plus 16 will be 30, 43 minus 24 root 3 by, we have 11. So this is the final answer, 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Then we'll be moving on to problem number 5 of 1. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 60. Now as usual, we will substitute the values. So 5 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1 square divided by 1. Here I am directly putting value as 1 because we know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That is, here the thetas are same 30 30. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Directly we can write this as 1. Now 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by 3, 16 into 2 by 3 minus 1. Here when you square it, 2 square is 4. So 4 into 4 is 16. Here root 3 square will be 3. Now 12 will be LCM. Then 15 plus 64 minus 12. How? Here we have 12 is the LCM. Here we have 4, so we don't have, 4 means we need to multiply this by 3 to make it 12 as LCM. So 3 into 5 is 15. Here we have 3, so we need to multiply 4 to make it 12. So the 4 into 16 is 64. Here denominator is 1, so that we need to multiply the 1 with 12, so that minus 12. So when we add this, we get 67 by 12. That is the answer for 5. Now 8.2 problem number 1 is completed. Now we will move on to problem number 2. So problem number 2, we need to correct the option and justify our answer, which means instead what we need to do, we have to solve this, get the answer and mark the answer from the options. Now we are going to substitute the values of tan 30 here and here. So we get 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square, because tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now this will become 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3, because when you take square, root 3 square will be 3. Now here take LCM, so that 3 plus 1 4 by 3. So 2 by root 3 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Here in the denominator fraction, we can reciprocate and multiply with the numerator, so that 4 by 3 become 3 by 4. Now 2 get cancelled, we get 2 here. So 3 by 2 root 3. So 3 we can write it as, in the numerator 3 we can write it as root 3 into root 3. Here 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. Now this root 3 and this root 3 will get cancelled. Then we get root 3 by 2. So for what value of root 3 by 2? I mean 2 tan theta, 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan 30 square is equal to, we get root 3 by 2. So for which we need to find out among A, B, C, D, which gives the value of root 3 by 2. Now sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore the answer for first one will be A. And second one, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45, which means 1 minus 1 square by 1 plus 1 square, which means 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. So here tan 90 is not 0, here it is 1, sin 45 is also not 0, but the answer is 0. Now we need to find out what is the value of A. This is true. Then what is the value of A? Say for example, we substitute A is 0 degree, means 2 into 0 is 0, that is sin 0 is 0. And here sin 0 is 0 into 2 is 0, 0 is equal to 0, so this is true. We try this for 30 degree. Sin 30 into 2 will be 60, sin 60 degree, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Here sin 30 is 1 by 2, means 1 by 1, 1 by 2 means 2 by 2, that is 1. But here root 3 by 2, here we are 1 we are getting when we substitute B 30 degree. So answer must be A. Now we will put the value for the fourth one. 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. So we get 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3, which means 2 by root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2 means 2 by 3. Now here 2 by root 3, reciprocate the numerator and multiply it, so the 3 by 2. Now this 2 get cancelled. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 get cancelled. So we get answer is root 3. Root 3 is the answer we are getting it for this. So tan 60 is the right answer. So for problem number 4. Remaining problem we will see in the next class. Thank you for watching us. Kindly subscribe, share and comment. Our website is www.mathsforyou.com. Thank you.